Meet Steve. While others are worrying about winterizing their homes, Steve has no such worries. Thanks to the Aquor House Hydrant, winter prep is simple, fast, and worry-free. Just plug it in, twist, and let the system do the rest. Without having to worry about winter protection, Steve can enjoy his winter season. Or at least try to.
Can I get some help here? Okay.
With Aquor, your outdoor faucet drains instantly, so you don't have to worry about a thing. And its stainless steel construction can stand up to freezing temperatures, unlike some people.
What was that?
Spend less time stressing and more time living. Aquor, the smarter way to winterize.